What's up guys, welcome to Apex, thanks for tuning in. Samsung has finally started rolling out the security patches for the Galaxy Watch 7 series. This is the Watch 7 regular 44mm Bluetooth variant that I have here, and this is the Galaxy Watch Ultra, which is the LTE variant. Of course, that's the only variant that we have, and this is the last year's model, not the 2025 Ultra, 2024 Ultra. Now both these watches have received the security patch for November 2025. This update was released for the Galaxy Watch 8 series just a couple of days ago. The Galaxy Watch 8 Classic and the Galaxy Watch 8 regular have started receiving the update already, and now this update is available for the Watch 7 series. Now let's check out the update details on the Ultra. Let's go to the settings, tap on software update. You can see there is an orange dot here. Tap on download and install. You will be able to see the update details here. Let me just scroll down here. Let's check out what's new. It says stability and reliability. Device behavior has been improved. Security, the device is protected with improved security. After updating, you will not be able to downgrade to the old software because of the updates to the security policy. So that's something to note here. So what this update will do is it will improve the security of your Galaxy Watch, like the security patches improves the security on your Galaxy phone. There will be many vulnerabilities, security threats on the watches as well, because many of us do use the Samsung Pay on the Galaxy watches, maybe sometimes the internet and some of the application data, all that needs to be secured. And these kind of security patches will protect your Galaxy watches. Now this is the update here for the Ultra. Let me just show you the size details here. We have got 176.29 MB size, and the security patch level 1st November 2025. The version number ends with BYK1. Now the next watch, let's check out the Galaxy Watch 7 regular here. Let's go to the settings and scroll down, tap on software update. Again, you can see the orange dot here. Tap on that. Here you can see the size is slightly smaller. It's 163.56 MB. And the security patch is November 2025. Similar change log we get to see right over here. Now these updates are very critical for all the Galaxy watches and Galaxy phones. So you need to make sure you install them on your devices to keep your watches and phones safe and secure. Now let me go ahead and tap on install now. I'll install the update on this watch as well. And let me quickly come back to you guys and let's see how the watch is performing. Let me tap on settings, software updates, and let's go ahead and install this over here. Now this is going to take a few minutes. I will come back to you guys in a bit. Okay, now the watch has been updated. Let's quickly check how is the watch doing now, if there is any lags or stutters. Let's first open the quick panel here. You can see it's pretty smooth without any issues. Let's open the widgets. Works fine. Now let's see some notifications. Looks good. No issues. Let's open the app tray. Let's open a few applications here. Let's open settings. Reminder. Galaxy Health, Samsung Health. Play Store. Calendar. So it's working fine. I don't see any stutters or lags on this watch. This is a beast. This is a fantastic watch. I still love using this watch. It gives me almost about 3 days of battery life, and whenever I travel, I prefer wearing this particular watch. Let me know what you think. How is the battery performance on your Galaxy Watch Ultra? Drop a comment. Now let's check the Galaxy Watch 7 regular. Let's open the quick panel. You can see there is no stutter or lag at all on the quick panel. Notifications, no issues. Let's check out the tiles. Let's open some applications now. Settings, Galaxy Health, Reminder, Play Store. So the watch is doing well. There was no issue even before this update, and even now after the update, no lags or stutters. Drop a comment and let me know how is your experience with your watch. This is something which I wanted to share with you guys. The One UI 8 watch for the Galaxy Watch 5 series is on its way. I think it should arrive in the next couple of days because the beta program ended just a few days back, and now the stable version has been rolling out to the Galaxy Watch 5 series. So if you own a Galaxy Watch 5 regular or a Galaxy Watch 5 Pro, you should be getting the update very soon. That's about it. That's something which I wanted to talk about in today's video. Thanks a lot for watching. Hope you have already subscribed to the channel. If you haven't done it already, go ahead, subscribe, give this video a like if you find this video informative. Thanks for watching. You guys take care and stay safe. Cheers. Bye-bye.